Welcome back, friends. Welcome to Tech Unbox Pro, where we bring you honest and detailed reviews of the latest smartphones. Today, we are taking a close look at the Oppo A6 Pro 5G, a powerful budget smartphone designed for users who want speed, style, and next-generation connectivity. The Oppo A6 Pro 5G comes with a modern premium design and a smooth high refresh rate display, making scrolling, gaming, and video watching extremely enjoyable. Powered by a reliable 5G processor, this phone delivers strong performance for daily tasks, multitasking, and even casual gaming without lag. Talking about the camera, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G offers sharp and clear photos with good color balance, while video recording remains stable for social media content and daily use. The large battery ensures all-day usage, and fast charging support keeps downtime to a minimum. With 5G connectivity, solid performance, stylish looks, and long battery life, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is a great option for anyone searching for the best budget 5G smartphone in 2026. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for daily tech updates.